Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's Happy Me on a Budget. Just a quick video to show you some AliExpress metal cutting dies that I purchased, but I have had them for quite a while. I've got quite a few that needs going through, but I haven't had a chance to do it. Today I had decided to have a little relaxing me time and play with my little toys. So this one I got is the ice skating boot, and you could do so much with this. It's really lovely, it is. So I got that, and this is what I did with it. Let's get some paper so I can show you. I did this with it. Hope you can see that and it's not too glary. I just cut it out in white, then I cut out the bottom and the top and attached it, and got some silver string and threaded it through, and that's what I got. It's so pretty, it really is so pretty. Not quite sure if you can see it very well. Oopsie daisies, there you go. Really happy with that. So much you can do with this die. So that's that one. Then the other one was the coffee cup, and I do have quite a few coffee cups, but I really liked this one. It's got 3 coffee cups actually. There's a tiny one here as well. And then you've got the front. You can use that as a pattern for the front of the cups, and this one as well. Then it's got the circle that you can use that for. Use a circle in there as well. There's just so much you can do with it. And then you can use this one for a cupcake as well. That really looks nice with a cupcake. I must remember to take the pieces out of there. And this is what I did with it. That's the cupcake. Let's just put these here. That's the cupcake that I did. See the glitter on it. I've put some glitter on the top, and I'm really happy with that. I'm going to use a lot of these for my journal as well, because I've got a box somewhere in the craft room with all sorts of different dies that I've cut out, and they're just sitting doing nothing really. And then I did the coffee cup, which I'm really happy with. Oopsie daisies, I've got to get my nails done, but I'm waiting for someone to come with me for that. So I did that. That's the coffee cup. Isn't that beautiful? That's the straw, and I used some acetate for that, the cover, which is really nice. I put some sequins on there and the word believe. So that's that. That's the coffee cup. And then this is the clouds and the rainbow. A lot of pieces to that. I won't take it out of the packet. and I did this cloud, rainbow. They're not done to perfection because it's just for the purpose of showing you the samples. So that's that. I will link all the details below in the description box as to where I got these from. So thank you for stopping by. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell in order to receive notifications of when I upload new videos. Take care now. Bye bye.